On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Paul Anderson from the ABC Circus here in Hollywood, Florida, and we're going to do How to Be a Clown. So, if you became a clown, you would join a long line of people, very funny people. It goes way back to the tribal days. Stone Age man, the first man who smashed his thumb while trying to smash some with a rock. Why, sure, running around late night campfire stories. Of course, back in the Stone Age, they were really bawdy and half naked, or perhaps even naked.
So you can imagine what kind of funny things they did.
Or an acrobat like me. You can do a lot without talking. Whoopsie! It's up to you to decide and what's actually funny. It's a party. Beaumont. Yeah. Or oh, you need a bit of juggling.